Hello everyone, you're currently seeing me on the head strap mount right now. See? So you have a package here, you know the drill. You'll see in my feature vlog about what these packages are, but this is the first package of one of two, at least two packages coming. So, let's engage. Screw it to go, put it at a right angle, I bet it is. Look at this special treat. The Sangean CL-100 NOAA weather radio, aka the #1 weather radio on the market. Now, note that this is not new, so, yeah, and it's not used either. It's refurbished. So, it's a somewhat entirely new unit with just some manipulations to it. So, yeah, let's open the box now. And now let's just break the side open. And get this hunk out of here. So we have the AC adapter. This thing's much smaller than it looks. But then, yeah, here's the manual. So you guys can see that still. Yep. And then the actual unit. Entirely refurbished with possibly just a little bit of cosmetic imperfection. But no need to worry. Still works like a charm according to the manufacturer's reviews. Yep, it's in an entirely new packaging, but not box. The box has some wear, but that's alright. I apologize if you guys aren't getting the best angle right now. I have not adjusted this thing much, the head strap mount. So, take the antenna. Antenna's kinda bent just a little bit, but as I said, no further comment. Takes 4 AA's. There's the AC adapter, headphone jack, all of that. Now let's get this thing going. Hello everyone, I have switched to the monopod view right now because I noticed that the angle after some editing on the head strap mount was way off, so you could barely see what I was doing, but you could see what's from the top of my forehead, even though the camera was angled down quite a bit. So I'll configure that out later, but for now, here's a closer look at it. This is the size of my hand. So it's almost as long as the stride length of my hand. So yeah, let's plug in the AC adapter right now. There's a real pleasing display to see the weather functions already on 4. Let's reset some of the parameters on this thing. Alarm 1 and alarm 2 we don't need. Clock, see what automatic does. Apparently that does nothing. But the time right now is 5:53. Date, it is October 28th, 2014. Tone, I'm not sure if I should select bass or treble, but I'm just gonna do treble for now. Siren level, keep it low because this is what it starts to sound like. So definitely keeping it on low. Alert mode on voice, that's good. Defeat siren with all the same codes. These are all enabled, not by default. Add alerts. It's like the Capello, but I don't want to do that right now. County code, all. Weather channel. Do 4 as usual. Backlight brightness can be adjusted full. Save time. I'm not sure what that is, but maybe we'll find out later. Contrast is the contrast of the background, as you see. Siren test. Oops, something's going wacky with the display right now. I'm not sure what's quite happening. I think it's something with the adapter that's messed up. Low default, definitely don't want to do that. Something better not be wrong with this thing already. System version, that's not much to worry about. Sorry for the unlawful surging right now, but it even has song recognition by station and station ID. You can change between AM, FM, and auxiliary. Well, it's almost completely losing power, so that's a really bad sign. Snooze and then go to weather. Takes a while to fade in.
Vancouver, cloudy 55. Mount William, cloudy 60. South wind 16 miles.
And then to see what's on the scroll, just do that. CT looks like it's the alarm mode, and on and on the side we have alarm 1 and alarm 2 switches. Both of them are off right now. Then on the back we have headphones, auxiliary in, external alert, the weather and FM external antenna, the AM external antenna, and some other thing. So the AM antenna takes a screw, which is pretty interesting. So just X out that, and that's the setup. So I'll fix whatever power problem it's having and get back to you. So yes, this is a completely refurbished unit and looks very nice. Has the public alert logo there, smooth right on the speaker, and it's a really nice radio, #1 on the market at this time. So yeah, thank you all for watching. This is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing off. Hello everyone, this is a quick update on the Sangean CL-100. As you can see, all the packages except this one are brought back together because I'm sad to announce that the radio is going back to Amazon. I'm getting a $50 refund hopefully within the next couple of days, and wait for it. So anyways, the whole radio set will be going back. No, not the WR300 and 12519. Those will be staying. But the Sangean CL-100 underwent a problem with its LCD display. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. By the way, I rearranged all my radios. So up here is the WR10. And yeah, the rearrangement. Now here's the Sangean. As you can see, there's still a backlight, yet there's no display. Yes, as you can see in the unboxing video earlier, the display was starting to go out. And it finally just went out for good and won't come back on. So all the radio mechanics still work great. It'll still go off for alerts, I know, because of all the settings. So, see, you want to press weather. Still works like a charm. And weather off and weather on work. Radio band works. All of that. So, yep, sadly it's going back. I will hopefully get a new one soon. That, or I may just get a few couple radios, or like another good radio or something with the money, because I'm getting $50 put back on my gift card amount. So I'll have at least $53. $53.50. So I have almost enough to get a brand new one with a few spare dollars. So other than that, it'll be going back soon, but I'll keep it for the test tomorrow, which it will, I know it will go off for, because the LED lights and the sound still works great, so I know it'll receive alerts, but it just won't display what alert code it is, what time it is, or whatever. The display's broken, yet all the buttons and speakers, amplifiers, LEDs, all that, they still work. So, sadly this is the case, but things happen, especially since I got a refurbished unit, which I now know is not very reliable. So, thank you all for watching this. This will complete the unboxing, setup, and now the dying video. So anyways, I will see you guys later when this radio is replaced. And I am signing off. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.